journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my...
What's kicking, Shark Mates? Mine Vixen and Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Here at Wrapsesh. This week we are doing a custom car wrap reveal. Really fast, I want to do a quick shout out to a new product that we recently discovered. It's called Javi. I hope that's how you say it. Maybe it's JV. Javi. This is a coffee concentrate. So it's like a concentrate of coffee. This is a really cool product though to make just coffee at your house, at your shop. It takes literally 30 seconds. We have Keurigs here at the shop, but the problem is we don't want hot coffee when it's 120 degrees outside, right?
No.
We want iced coffee.
Yeah.
And so this is a really cool way to do it. Literally all you do is mix it in with water or milk or oat milk, whatever you like, and you pour some creamer in it and put it on ice and just stir it up. It's super cool.
It's Javi.
It's Javi. You guys can check out their website. We'll include that in the description below. But really cool thing. I've been using
really
it all
good.
week. Yeah. So pretty awesome. Now on to the car. The car.
Yes, the car.
Is our PAISLEY Mopar. This was a really fantastic, bright PAISLEY design, really busy.
On reflective film.
Yes, it was designed by Glarb, our friend Glarb wrapped.
Glarb sauce.
Glarby sauce. And it was printed on Orafol 5650 RA reflective, which, FYI, if you don't know, this is the only reflective film that comes in 60 inches.
Yes, and it's very tacky. So do not attempt to try to install this film by yourself.
You can't just full pull.
You can't do it.
You can't just full pull and glass things out. It
So
doesn't work that way.
We had a couple people that ended up, seeing a couple pictures and they were like, hey, I got this film because you said you used it, and they could not install it by themselves.
That's because they didn't follow my instructions.
And and we told them, please use you have to use 2 people to install this film. It's a great film. I actually really like the way it turned out.
It's a beautiful reflect, but it's very hard to work with. It's very tacky.
Very tacky.
Very difficult to install, but it's the only 60-inch on the market. So if you're trying to pull off one-piece hoods, one-piece rear hips without any seams, this is the only film you can use. So that was kind of a challenge in itself. Plus, Challenger or Mopar bumpers in general are really hard because they go up and over the headlights.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of stretch involved in doing those bumpers, and the mirrors suck.
Yeah.
Suck. We do so many of them.
Those mirrors are hard because you have to do the neck and everything, and it's just all painted and
so many things.
Yeah, very rounded.
Anyways, it was a lot of hard work, but definitely worth the finished result. Check it out. We hope you guys enjoy.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Know you're gone We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay, if you stay, oh, if you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching this week. We hope you enjoyed our episode on our Paisley Mopar reflective wrap.
The Mopar.
Shout out to our Collabo-Slayers on this project. That's going to be Glarb wrapped, as well as Mutoh America and Orafol graphics. If you guys want to go over wrap fantastic on a custom wrap, please be sure to reach out to us at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. Make sure you're keeping up with our daily fun on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok
So much fun.
at Wrapsesh AZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe, and we'll see you guys next week. Thresh.
Later.
No.
No thresh.
No.
No. Yeah, you're here.